Okay, dear students, we're going to talk about narration in screening. Very important part. And this time, the session we are going to do is bilingual, so that you guys can understand, but also the Hindi medium also can understand. Narration का मतलब होता है अपने विचारों को अभिव्यक्त करना, to speak out. Very important. Why? Let's talk about this. The readout and narration of the candidate is important to check what? Candidate's communication ability. Now imagine there is a leader who does not speak. सोचो एक नेता है और बोल ही नहीं पा रहा है, बहुत दुख की बात। तो कम्युनिकेशन एबिलिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए। कम्युनिकेशन में वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल, बॉडी लैंग्वेज सब कुछ आता है, तो वो ध्यान रखिए। द कैंडिडेट्स OIR रिटन स्टोरी हो चुकी, स्टोरी नरेशन एंड पार्टिसिपेशन ऑल आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट। अब पता चला है आपने सोचा कि मैंने OIR अच्छा कर लिया है, स्टोरी अच्छी कर लिया, आई हैव डन वेल, बट नाउ नरेशन आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट डू ओके, नहीं बोल पाता बाद में बोल लूंगा ना। न्यूनतम मात्रा आनी चाहिए। न्यूनतम मात्रा मीन्स यू शुड बी दैट मच इफेक्टिव कि लोग समझें कि आप पूर्ण काम कंपोज्ड हैं। समटाइम व्हेन ड्यू टू फिश मार्केट सिचुएशन, कई बार जब फिश मार्केट सिचुएशन सब लोग का, तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन में नरेशन का रोल बढ़ जाता है, क्योंकि उससे उनको अफसर को मूल्यांकन करने की मौका मिल जाता है कि हाँ ऐसा अच्छे से इस व्यक्ति ने बोला था इस वक्त। दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इवैल्यूएटिंग ऑफिसर एसेसेस कैंडिडेट्स कमांड ओवर लैंग्वेज। बोलने की भाषा पे कंट्रोल होना चाहिए। आप लोग अगर 16 साल के भी हैं, जो कि एनडीए वाले होते हैं, तो भी आपको भाषा पे नियंत्रण आना ही चाहिए, बल्कि उसको अच्छे से बोलना आना चाहिए। प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, आप बहुत अच्छा करेंगे। यू विल बिकम एक्सीलेंट स्पीकर्स। नाउ एन इंडिविजुअल हु कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस, हमारे जनरल शिपर साहब ने लीडरशिप पे बहुत अच्छी बुक लिखी है, एंड इट इज देयर इन द IMA आल्सो, यू विल गेट दैट, एंड इट इज सेड दैट इंडिविजुअल हु कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस थॉट और इम्प्रेसिवली स्पीक would not be able to prove self as a good leader। ये तो भाई मानी हुई बात है। आज हम लोग अपने आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री को देखें, आदरणीय कई जगहों के मुख्यमंत्री को देखें, जो अच्छे प्रवक्ता है, अच्छा बोल लेते हैं, उनको नेतृत्व का मौका ज्यादा मिल रहा है। क्योंकि जब आप बोलते हैं ना, तो आपका दिमाग और विचार दोनों में मतलब दिमाग में विचार और आपके मुंह दोनों में एक बहुत बेहतरीन सामंजस्य बनता है। When you speak, the minds in your thoughts and your mouth, they both become very beautifully binded together to impress people. Do that. Next. Narration is important to check self-confidence. बिल्कुल, there is no doubt. And public courage. अब जिसको अपने पे विश्वास नहीं है, डर रहा है पब्लिक से, नेतृत्व कैसे करेगा? नेतृत्व आगे आके करना है। He has to lead from the front. So one has to do that. Got the point. Practice is the key. Now, nobody is born. Remember, when you were born, you were zero. You learned everything. I know a lot of people who are, all the varieties which are coming is permutation, combination of parenting, schooling, neighborhood and social beliefs. ये जो हम लोग के पास अद्भुत प्रकार के लोग आते हैं, सभी हैं, आप लोग सब और मैं खुद भी, तो ये जो हम लोग का जो अद्भुत प्रकार का जो रूप बना है, ये मुख्य रूप से कहाँ से बना है? क्योंकि इसमें कुछ माता पिता की सीख, बहुत कुछ वहां से आती है, भाई बहन से सीखा, माता पिता। अब पिता दंडित ना करें किसी व्यक्ति को, हर समय सर पे चढ़ाए रहे, आगे चल के उसका बहुत लंबा नुकसान देना पड़ता है। अगर नियंत्रण नहीं है नेतृत्व में, सब गड़बड़ होता है। इसी तरह भाई बहन उद्दंडी हो, उसका असर पड़ता है। आपका मोहल्ला गड़बड़ हो, उसका असर पड़ता है। आपका स्कूल गड़बड़ हो, उसका असर पड़ता है। और इसी के विपरीत अच्छा हो, उसका असर पड़ता है। So everything gets impact, and that is why practice can help you a lot. But practice can help you control all these extraneous variable to limited parameters. ये जो बाहर के प्रभाव क्षेत्र है, थोड़ा न्यूनतम करता है। ज्यादा तेज नहीं बोलना है और ज्यादा देर नहीं बोलना है, जितना बोलना है उचित बोलना। चलिए आगे बढ़ते जाते। गुड लीडर मस्ट प्रैक्टिस स्पीच व्हेन ऑल अलोन बाय सेल्फ। अकेले में बात किया करिए। समटाइम्स टॉक लाइक दिस, ओके, स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर, या अपने आप से बात करिए। You know, many of you all students, we train you for interviews or for other things. We tell you to give self interview. a beautiful way. Like you start, what is your name? So my name is so-and-so. Where are you coming from? I'm coming from so-and-so. Now you are only questioning, you are only answering. But what is your brain? It is judging. It is beautifully judging. And you are the best judge of yourself. आजकल का जो माहौल है इसमें दूसरे पे यकीन करना कि वो आपको सही बात बताएगा बड़ा मुश्किल हो गया. लोग इतने ज्यादा ईर्ष्यापूर्ण हो गए, बल्कि the best of friends are having jealousy. God bless them, some common sense. Let's get back. Now, is it clear? So you should practice. That is one thing which you want. Use of time between story and narration. मैंने हमेशा कहा है जब आपको स्टोरी और नरेशन के बीच में टाइम होता है, लोगों से मिलिए, टॉक टू देम, डिस्कस व्हाट आर द टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज. डोंट गिव डॉट टू डॉट डिटेल्स ऑफ ए स्टोरी, पर मोटा माटी रूप तो डिस्कस हो सकता है. इससे आपको लाभ मिलेगा. You'll get an idea what are they writing, क्योंकि बाद में डिस्कशन के, नरेशन और डिस्कशन के बीच में तो टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. तो जब आप नरेशन से पहले ही आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाएगा तो आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन में उसका लाभ मिलेगा. When you will get an idea before the narration, group discussion will help you. After finishing, they get 5 to 10 minutes. You can talk to them. The time given can be used to not only summarize points for narration but also collect others' idea related to speak for discussion. बता चुका हूं मैं आपको. A procedure of narration. आपसे बोला जाता है evaluating officer to narrate the story one by one by looking at the other candidates. सब लोगों को देखिए, ऑफिसर को मत देखिए, मना करते हो. They tell you not to do that. To look with towards each other. Now there are some people who start rotating fans. No, talk to them nicely. Sometime yes, sometime there. That's it. That is all you have to do. Look at all. वो बोलता है 1 से स्टार्ट करिए. देखिए सेमी सर्कल में बैठे हैं, एक सिरे से शुरू करिए क्लास, और जब खत्म हो जाए, when everybody stop speaking, after that then you will become with the group discussion. Tells to begin the narration, and once you finish off you will say thank you, then the other will speak, then the other will. Now during narration keep listening. अपनी बात उन लोग का सुनते रहिए, because if you don't listen then what will happen? You will not be able to do good group discussion. The moment last candidate finishes narration, the group is supposed to start the discussion. That is it. The time given for narration is 1 minute. Okay? But ज़्यादातर 40 seconds में अच्छे से हो जाता. So do that. Practice it. You know, if you speak, and you know, whenever you speak public, you don't come up with squeaky language. No, not that. Loud and clear. You speak confidently. And this can come. It's like singing. Singers नहीं होते, सुर ताल है, ताल को प्रैक्टिस करते, वैसे नरेशन भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, अच्छा रहेगा. दूसरों को समझ में आना चाहिए आप क्या बोल रहे. The evaluating officer will stop you at any point for under given reason. कभी कभी वो देखता है कि आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो तो बोल देता है ओके रहने दीजिए, don't speak. The evaluating finds candidates ideas irrelevant. कि क्या बोल रहा है, what is he speaking? He may stop you. Has identified main idea. क्या बोलना चाहते हो, मेजर आइडिया पकड़ लिया, वो चाहता है कि जल्दी जल्दी दूसरों को मौका मिले, तो भी आपको रोक देता है. कैंडिडेट हैज स्पोकन मोर देन द अलॉटेड टाइम. अगर आपने जितना दिया गया समय था उससे ज्यादा बोला तो भी आपको रोक देता है. हिचकिचाइए मत, पर अच्छा से बोलिए. इफ यू रियली डोंट वांट दैट द ऑफिसर शुड डिस्टर्ब यू, यू शुड स्पीक क्लियरली. प्रैक्टिस सो दैट यू स्पीक फॉर. नाउ वी कम टू पैनिक डिसऑर्डर. ये एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है. You know, people mentally, they want to look very good, but they are very, very bad. And at that point of time, they have a panic disorder. वो क्या करते हैं, अपनी पैरामीटर्स में गड़बड़ कर देते हैं. So they try to behave in a learned format. अब मान लीजिए मैंने एक सोचा कि मेरी क्लास में बिल्कुल डॉट टू डॉट ऐसा हो, पर हमेशा नहीं होता. There are times when I want to just keep the class and lecture very short. But sometimes what happens, we go a little longer. इसी तरह लर्न फॉर्मेट में मत चलिए, अच्छे से ध्यान रखिए, प्रैक्टिस करिए. और पैनिक डिसऑर्डर में दूसरे की कंपैरिजन से परेशान मत हुई. दूसरे ने अच्छा बोला, मैं अच्छा नहीं बोल पाऊंगा, मैं भूल गया, अब इसी से फिर भूल जाओ. डोंट फॉरगेट व्हाट यू हैव टू स्पीक. रिमेंबर दैट. यू डोंट हैव टू लेक्चर डॉट टू डॉट, आपको नहीं बोलना, सॉरी. बट देन हाउ टू डील विद पैनिक डिसऑर्डर. एक थिंकिंग एक्सरसाइज और कंपेयरिंग सेल्फ विद अदर्स बंद करिए. यू आर यूनिक, यू आर ब्यूटिफुल, यू आर वंडरफुल, जो भी आप हैं अच्छे। नेक्स्ट, गेटिंग कॉन्शियस ऑफ ऑफिसर्स प्रेजेंस, ऑफिसर खड़ा है देख रहा है, इससे भी पैनिक डिसऑर्डर आता है, मत करिए। एक और कैरेक्टर फियर ऑफ मॉकरी से आता है कि पीपल विल मेक फन ऑफ मी, यू नो, एंड दे मे लाफ एट, व्हाट द हेल मैन, मेक फन, ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम स्पीकिंग एट दिस एज, at a very senior age, that even today my best of people whom I have given my life to make mockery. They make mockery because it's human nature. They know you are competent, that is why they make mockery, because they want you to get off the stage. Everybody is hungry to get off the stage. Agreed, I should get off the stage, but there should be an alternative. The moment alternative is ready, who wants to stay on the stage? Not the confident people. So fear of mockery aata hai. Next, candidates wrong approach, not to share, often believe that narration, not to share story with client but an exercise. Kuch log competition, you know, they start doing all that dramatic versions. Excuse me, and they panic, then they speak whatever I said, then they forget the story. Don't do all that. So panic disorders में ये सब नहीं करना है. The candidate must remember, assessor will select candidate जो cooperative performance को आराम से read out करिए. Don't bother about disturbing your mind about what others are thinking. They should relax self, give a general idea of what the story was. That's why, you know why I've written all these points, so that you can read and understand. These are small notes. The readout would be around 40 to 50 seconds, तो कोई पैनिक करने की जरूरत है नहीं. Evaluation by assessor has to assess candidate, वो डिसाइड करेगा. 3 कैटेगरी होती है, yes, no, doubtful. Yes, the category of yes कि बहुत अच्छा बोला है, yes. Category of no, नहीं अच्छा बोला है. Category of doubtful is absent. Is it clear? चलिए इसको थोड़ा सा समझ लीजिए. What is this? Yes, category has made a good, relevant and original story. एक तो स्टोरी अच्छी बनाई है and has given a good narration. और बाद में पार्टिसिपेशन भी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में अच्छा किया, तो ये भी आता है. तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक यू बैक, दो आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ नरेशन, बट आई एम ऑल्सो टेलिंग यू द टारगेट. द टारगेट इज कि हमारा नरेशन अच्छा रहेगा तो हमारा यस कैटेगरी में आना सरल रहेगा. इफ वी विल नरेट प्रॉपर्ली वी विल कम इनटू द यस कैटेगरी. नेक्स्ट, द डाउटफुल कैटेगरी हैज मेड अ गुड स्टोरी बट हैज नॉट गिवन अ good narration. He's not given a good narration. He's not able to speak at all. There is a possibility. Has written a poor story but has given a good narration. Written very, very poor story but given a good narration. So भी doubtful में आ जाता है, because you know what has happened. Though he is looking good but he is not practically written proper. अच्छा लिखा ही नहीं. तो ये याद रखिएगा, अच्छी स्टोरी लिखी, नरेशन भी अच्छा करी. Has made a good, relevant and original story and has given a reasonable narration, yet has been very aggressive. ये मैंने आपको बताया ना, क्योंकि नरेशन एंड ग्रुप डिस्कशन लिंक, तो पता चला आपने अच्छी स्टोरी बनाई, अच्छा नरेशन किया, पर इतने एग्रेसिव और क्योटिक हो गए कि मैं हूं करने लग गए. उसका नतीजा क्या हुआ? नतीजा क्या हुआ? नतीजा ये हुआ कि आप डाउटफुल कैटेगरी में आ गए एंड पॉसिबिलिटी बाहर हो सकते हैं. No category has neither written a good story nor given a good narration. अच्छी स्टोरी भी नहीं लिखी और अच्छा नरेशन भी नहीं दिया, and did not participate well in group discussion. Right. Has made a copied and irrelevant story. कई लोग, आप में से बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, YouTube या अन्य से कॉपी कर लेते, डॉट टू डॉट स्टोरी और लिख देते. Why? यार दिमाग का प्रोसेस यूज करोगे, प्रोसेसर यूज करोगे, कुछ तो नयापन लाओगे, कुछ तो अपनी सोच लाओगे. इतना क्यों डरते हो? सिलेक्शन तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी पे होता है. बहुत सरल कहानियों में भी सिलेक्शन होता है. जबरदस्ती उसको अलंकृत करना, बहुत अच्छा बनाना, नॉट नेसेसरी. आई कैन ओनली रिक्वेस्ट, तो डोंट गो फॉर दिस कट कॉपी पेस्ट. नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन की बात कर लें. नरेशन में आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज होती है, कम्युनिकेशन की आराम से कॉन्फिडेंस. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग बिल्कुल मिलिट्री पैटर्न में खड़े हो जाते हैं. डोंट डू दैट. सिट कंफर्टेबली. डोंट ट्राई टू एप. बी योरसेल्फ. बंदर मत बनिए, अपने जैसे हैं वैसे सिकंदर बनिए. तो should observe the important non-verbals. Now, cheerful होना चाहिए. जिंदा दिल तो हमेशा it attracts. कई बार दुखी लोगों को लोग भले कितने गंभीर हो पर लोग उन पर तरस भी नहीं. क्यों? ये मनुष्य प्रवृत्ति. It is a tendency of human beings. So you should look cheerful and confident. And posture अच्छा रहे. Reasonably loud and clear speech. आवाज, you don't have to shout, but you have to be loud and clear. Readout should be clear with free flow of thoughts. आराम से बोलिए. There are some people who try to be very fluent. Respect, sir, my dear friends, I would like to tell my story. What are you doing? Don't do this. Speak clear. Respect, sir, my dear friends, I want to tell my story. I saw so many characters and this. Clear. सुनना चाहिए. समझ में आना चाहिए. No stammering. Looking at all confidently. आराम से देखिए दूसरे. You know, don't have to look to judge people, but enjoy your activity. You automatically will have a confident look. Avoid rigid body style. कभी मत करिए. Most important after narration, appear as a good listener. ये नहीं कि बस बोल दिया उसके बाद आप फिर आपने क्या किया फिर stop हो गए. So don't do that. Is it clear? Not clear. So what is very important कि good listener भी दिखिए ताकि आप सुने so that you can talk. Then we come down verbal communication. इसमें क्या क्या है क्या करना चाहिए आपको ध्यान दीजिए. पहला पॉइंट should be well drafted. Narration should be थोड़ा मन में एक पिक्चर बना दी. मैं ये कैरेक्टर लिखूंगा उसके बाद ये चीज हुई थी तो ये बोलूंगा ये चीज उसने की थी ये सोचा ये लिखा खत्म. You don't have to impress them. Remember one thing. Overconfident right does not speak at all and think everybody will understand. Lack of confidence speaks too much and confidence speaks relevant. याद रखिएगा. The narration should be delivered in simple words. Narrative tone should be confident and loud to be heard, not shouting. Is it clear? Narrative should not sound as learned but as natural and spontaneous. सुनना चाहिए जैसे natural है आराम से बोल. The narrative should have the necessary pause. बीच में थोड़ा रुका करिए. Now what is this? Fluency तो है पर pause नहीं तो pause रखिए. Have a pause so that people can understand. The narration should not look hurried but smooth. Narration is somewhere very important in the PPDT. Therefore, candidate must practice well. Few examples, एक हम आपको examples फटाफट करा दे ताकि एक idea हो जाए. Dear friends, I saw in my picture 5 young men sitting under a tree. So my hero of the story is a young boy, Anand, who along with 4 friends had gone to represent their school in sports competition at regional. Anand was well motivated to perform extremely well so that they would not only bring pride to the school they represent but also are welcomed back as heroes. They decided to give their level best and become winners in their respective field. Is it clear? As Anand was participating in 3 single events of a 3000 meter race, 400 meter hurdle race and shot put, he knew that his excellent performance is necessary for the team trophies, so he decided to keep himself well tuned, and on the day of the competition his victory in all 3 inspired the others, and thereafter they also did well. But in the last race of 400 meter relay, the inspired team went on to become the winner and as imagined walked back to school premises. Now this story, though I've said, again I want to tell you, when you will narrate it can come little smaller. Though it is a written story which I am reading out, but I want to tell you in narration, you can make it little condensed. You don't have to tell everything dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot. You just have to tell the major relevant points. Is it clear? Because you wrote the story in 3 minutes, right? Or 4 minutes, whatever you call it. 3 minutes. But when you read out, you tend to remember the main points. That is what I wanted to explain you so that you don't panic. I have not said that. I said that word. Don't do that. Relax. Read out another. Ek sun lo. Respect, sir and dear friends. In the picture, I saw a farmer in the field with 2 children standing next to him. So my hero of this story is a farmer, Ravi Prakash, who had 2 sons. One day he went to the city for getting fertilizer. There he learned about hybrid seeds and how the productivity increases manifold times. Realizing that he had responsibility of educating the kids in the best way, he would require to get better earning. So he decided to go for the trial. He found the trial successful, and thereafter he not only applied it to his entire field but also shared his learning to others so that they may be benefited too. After a few years of continuous effort, he was able to earn well and is both sense. Seeing his father labor, also did very well in school and later college, where one joined the army, the other became an agricultural student, to later become the village development officer and help his father with his good work and spreading prosperity to others. Now look at the intention, beautiful. Again, the story, if I read dot to dot, becomes a little longer. But if I speak major points, it's okay. So is it clear? Okay, I've given you 2 examples. The last one we are going to do that. Dear friends, I saw in my picture 2 girls standing with 1 boy. So my hero of the story is the girl Sheena, 19 years, this is a girl. So Sheena was cultural activity in charge and head girl at Greater Noida. She was to organize along with head boy the annual function. So they both decided to first pen their ideas and later discuss and come to a conclusion in minimum time span. Sheena used the inputs by senior and using the lessons of the past decided that they would cut down the wastage by now going for electrical lights and projector instead of decorating with charts which had proved to be expensive. They even decided to go for a play on practical issues, humorous anchoring like stand-up comedy, group singing, etc. The idea of bonding all by different proved successful. Everybody liked the efforts, and finally when the chief guest and the principal appreciated the students, it made everyone happy. Now this is a story which I have written. Still, it is on the longer version of writing. Yes, agreed that these people were recommended, but they were, coming from some schools where their speed was a little faster. Now you can cut down the story for at least 10 words, 12 words, you can cut it short. But while reading, you have to make it more concise. Is it clear? So I think we have done. Note advice to practice readout in front of their mobiles and later check the result. After 20 plus trials, I am telling you something, a trick. When they feel that their brightness, when you practice in front of the mobiles, you do 20 trials. Your brightness on the face, the voice tone, everything will come fine. And every word spoken were clear and sounded, then they can confidently perform few times in front of parents, siblings. You can do it at your home. Parents, siblings means brothers and sisters, and friends, and then can summarize that they are ready to perform well in the PPT. Am I right? Do this at your home. Use your mobile, do it 20 times. English is not a difficult language, I really believe. Initially, Hindi was difficult for me. In my 10th also and 12th also, I got horrible marks. Just cleared by just a whisker. So, Hindi was bad. But today, now I mastered Hindi also. Similarly, when I can master Hindi, can't you master English? Practice. Read books. Try to speak. You will do it. It's not an aspirant must. Karna chahiye. As for defense aspirant, it is an important year. भाई भाषा से छिड़ो मत. अंग्रेजी भाषा पूरे देश को जोड़ती है. केरला को, जम्मू कश्मीर को, ईस्ट को, वेस्ट को. ठीक है, हम लोग की देश की भाषा दुनिया भर की और होंगी, पर अंग्रेजी आपको चाहिए ही होगी और आपको उसको अभ्यास करना. इज इट क्लियर? मेरे हिसाब से आपको कुछ आइडिया लग गया होगा. Everybody's got it? Yes or no? So remember that we have done this. So एक आइडिया मिल गया होगा नरेशन का. अच्छा, अब आप बोलोगे कि नरेशन तो आपने पढ़ा था. Yes, I could have said, respect sir and my dear friends, I want to tell you a story about farmer. Farmer had 4 sons and he was very worried that he should give the best of education. Unfortunately, he did not have enough land. So one day when he visited the city, he heard about new hybrid seeds and new methodologies which give better production. He keenly understood everything, wrote it down on a piece of paper so that he can remember. And thereafter he went to the seed shop, requested them the seed. For a trial, he used a small portion. Then when he got good result, then he also did it very nicely. Thus, he did well. Then he shared with his friends and all of them did well. So the village became prosperous and his purpose to get all his 4 sons well educated was also done. Thank you. Got it? Best of luck.